We all have dreams. Maybe it's a new car, a dream vacation, or a beautiful home. Achieving these dreams starts with financial intelligence. It's not just about making money. It's about understanding how to manage it wisely. Financial intelligence means making smart choices with your money. It's about spending less than you earn and saving for the future. When you're financially intelligent, you can reach your goals and build a secure future. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation of financial knowledge. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. With a solid foundation, you can build a future you're proud of. Remember, financial intelligence is a journey, not a destination. Start learning today and keep growing your knowledge. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. We all have things we want, big and small. Instead of ignoring these desires, create a desire fund. This is a special savings account dedicated to your dreams. Want a new phone? Start saving a little each month in your desire fund. Dreaming of a vacation? Put aside a specific amount regularly. By consistently contributing, you'll reach your goal faster than you think. The desire fund isn't just about saving. It's about making intentional choices. It helps you prioritize what's truly important to you. This approach brings you closer to your goals and helps you avoid impulsive spending. Remember, good things come to those who wait. The Desire Fund helps you achieve your financial goals and teaches you valuable lessons about patience and planning. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is crucial for financial health. Needs are essential for survival: food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. Wants are things that enhance our lives but aren't essential: expensive clothes, gadgets, or fancy dinners. Before you buy something, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? If it's a want, evaluate its true value. Will it bring you long-term happiness or just a fleeting moment of satisfaction? Often, we're tempted by impulse purchases that don't align with our financial goals. By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can curb unnecessary spending and allocate your money wisely. Remember, every dollar you save by resisting impulsive wants is a dollar you can invest in your future. Make conscious choices that align with your financial priorities. Increasing your income opens up more opportunities to achieve your financial goals. Explore ways to boost your earnings, such as taking on a side hustle or freelancing. Consider developing new skills that can lead to a promotion or a higher-paying job. The digital age offers countless online courses and resources for professional development. Don't underestimate the power of passive income. Explore options like investing in dividend-paying stocks or renting out a spare room. Passive income streams can generate extra cash flow without requiring constant effort. Remember, increasing your income doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Explore your options, find what works for you, and watch your financial possibilities expand. Section 5. Emergency Fund, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment. Before you make any significant purchase, prioritize building a solid emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. This fund acts as a safety net during unforeseen events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when unexpected costs occur. It empowers you to face financial challenges with confidence and stability. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. Start small and consistently contribute to your fund. Knowing you have a financial cushion will reduce stress and bring you closer to your financial goals. Section 6. The power of saving. Building a secure future. Saving money is fundamental to achieving financial security. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income each month, even if it's a small amount. Consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This way, saving becomes effortless and consistent. Remember, saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your future self. Small sacrifices today can lead to significant financial rewards down the road. Start saving early and consistently, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your money grows. The power of compound interest will work its magic, allowing your savings to generate even more savings over time. Section 7. Assets over items. True wealth and security. Flashy material possessions might provide temporary satisfaction, but they don't equate to true wealth. Focus on acquiring assets, things that put money in your pocket, instead of liabilities, things that take money out. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate can help you build wealth over time. These assets have the potential to appreciate in value and generate passive income. Remember, a new car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. A house, on the other hand, can appreciate in value over time, building your equity. Make smart financial decisions that align with your long-term goals. Shift your mindset from instant gratification to long-term financial security. Building a portfolio of assets will provide lasting wealth and financial stability for you and your loved ones. Section 8. Delayed gratification. The sweet taste of patience. In a world of instant gratification, practicing delayed gratification is a powerful tool for financial success. It means resisting the urge for immediate pleasure and waiting for something more rewarding later. Instead of buying that expensive gadget now, save up for it and pay in cash. The sense of accomplishment and financial freedom you'll experience will be far greater than any fleeting satisfaction from an impulse purchase. Delayed gratification teaches you valuable life lessons about patience, discipline, and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term desires. It's about making choices that align with your values and aspirations. Remember, the ability to delay gratification is a key indicator of success in various aspects of life, not just finance. Embrace the power of patience, and you'll unlock a world of opportunities. Section 9. Financial discipline. Your key to long-term success. Financial discipline is the cornerstone of achieving your financial goals. It's about making conscious spending choices, sticking to your budget, and resisting impulsive purchases. Think of financial discipline as a muscle that gets stronger with practice. Start by tracking your spending, creating a budget, and setting realistic financial goals. Avoid comparing yourself to others and their spending habits. Focus on your own financial journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek support from like-minded individuals. Remember, financial discipline isn't about deprivation. It's about empowering yourself to make choices that align with your values and bring you closer to your dreams. Stay committed to your financial goals, and you'll reap the rewards of financial freedom. Section 10. Conclusion. Financial freedom and a brighter future. Financial intelligence is more than just managing money. It's about taking control of your life. By adopting these principles of saving, budgeting, and making wise financial choices, you can achieve your dreams and secure a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning and growing. Embrace the power of financial intelligence, and you'll unlock a world of possibilities, leading to a life filled with purpose, security, and fulfillment.